Hi everyone. Today I'm going to crack some 2016-17 Upper Deck Series 1 Canadian exclusive Team Triples Mega Blasters. I haven't seen anybody break these anywhere, so I figured I'd post a video and see what kind of assortment we get. So yeah, all these are sealed. I just got them in the mail yesterday. So I got 4 boxes here. I've got a case that I've got a break going. Not too many people seem very interested, but eventually it'll fill. Okay. All right. There's our bonus pack there. Forgot my elbow grease today. So the Young Guns do fall 1 and 4. There is only 10 packs per box, plus the bonus pack. So I'm not sure. Get my decoy here. It's a Doughty Portraits. Yeah, I'm not sure how many Young Guns we're going to get. Some boxes are going to have 3, or one's a tough to open. Oh, a Young Guns canvas. Gustav Forsling. Not bad, not bad. So there's, oh, and a canvas. Shane Doan canvas. Wow. Another Young Gun. Nick Sorensen. Let's speed it up here. Let's see. Nothing. Nikita Zaitsev. Right on. Not bad so far. So yeah, I have a full case. I'm splitting it up into 2 breaks. Kopitar Shining Stars. Once again, this is just a personal break. See what kind of assortment we get. Oh, Sidney Crosby. UD game jersey. Sweetness. Very nice. I think we're still owed. No, we're not. I think we did get 3 Young Guns. Or did we only get 2? Travis Hamonic. UD Portraits. Let's see here. And another canvas, Jake Gardner. Okay, that's all those. Now let's see here. 1, 2. Yeah, we got 3 in that box because of the Young Guns canvas. Now let's check out this Team Triples pack. See what we got going on here. Oh, look at that right away. Austin Matthews. And we have Ottawa. So I got the good one for Toronto, I guess. Matthews, Nylander, Leipsic. And what's this? Mark Stone, Erik Karlsson, and Kyle Turris for Ottawa. Those are pretty cool. Awesome. Not a bad first box. Let's throw that aside. That one's empty. Alright. Where's our bonus pack? There she is. Portraits. Rickard Rakell. Those are some pretty good hits. First box. Not bad. There we go. Thornton. Shining Stars. Tyler Mott. Young Guns rookie card. That's number 1 for the box. No. Mike Riley, Young Guns. That's number 2 for the box. Travis Zajac, UD Canvas. And Young Guns, Nick Schmaltz. That's number 3. Yeah, that's 3 Young Guns for this box. Wonder if there's lots of boxes like this. Because with only 10 packs in the box, Young Guns odds are 1 in 4. It's pretty lucky. Ovechkin, Shining Stars. UD Canvas, Jeff Skinner. And a UD game jersey, Corey Schneider. So 3 Young Guns in that one and a UD game jersey. And team triples, we got a Calgary one there. And Patrick Laine. Not bad. With Ehlers and Hellebuyck. And Johnny Gaudreau with Sean Monahan and Mark Giordano. Not bad. That's cool. So we got we got Laine and Matthews so far. That's not bad. Put them on the wrong pile there. There we go. A couple game jerseys. All right, box number 3. These good cards popping up. It'd be nice to pull a Matthews out of this. It'd be nice to pull a Matthews out of every box. Here's our exclusive pack, Team Triples. There we go. Young Guns, Matthew Tkachuk. On a roll. Young Guns, Michael Matheson. Shining Stars, Jamie Benn. UD Portraits, Corey Crawford. That is a nice card. I haven't seen that one yet. Francois Beauchemin. That is a very nice card. That's cool. I like it. He played here in Hamilton, AHL. Back when he belonged to the Canadiens. Anyways. Nice card. Sometimes a card just catches your eye. Doesn't matter what player it is. It's just super cool. I find that a lot with the basketball cards. They're very, very creative. Travis Konechny. That's just one. That's 3 Young Guns in this box. Canvas, Nino Niederreiter. One of the best displays I've ever seen at World Junior Championship. I think that was back in Buffalo. Niederreiter was just on fire. No, duds. And a portraits, Nathan McKinnon. Yep, so we got 3 Young Guns in that one. Again, 3 boxes, 3 Young Guns. Just doesn't suit the odds that they tell us. And we have Sam Bennett, Oliver Kylington, and Hunter Shinkruk. And we have Blake Wheeler, Mark Scheifele, and Dustin Byfuglien. Right on. No dupes yet. Let's go there. Alright. Last box. Open for Matthews. Another empty box. There's a bonus pack. Bonus pack. Thanks, sweetie. Got my daughter over there cleaning up the boxes. There's a dud. We've seen at least 1 or 2 duds per box. Haven't counted those. But I'm going to count everything up, and I'm going to post it at the bottom in the comments section. There's a Kessel Portraits. Like I said, I do have a break coming up with a case. 10 boxes per break. $20 a break. I think that's pretty fair. Especially if they keep hitting like this, but I don't want to be promising anything. Braden Holtby, another game jersey. I believe that's 3 out of the 4 boxes. We have gotten 3 Young Guns per box so far. Erik Karlsson. Sorry about the lighting. Beauty canvas. Another dud. And we have Shining Stars, Ryan Getzlaf. And UD Canvas, Alex Pietrangelo. Haven't got any Young Guns yet. Rookie Portraits, William Nylander. Rookie Portraits. Keep grabbing that other pack there. Oh, what do we got here? Nada. 0 Young Guns so far in this pack, or box. The last box. Oh, Young Guns checklist. Austin Matthews, William Nylander. So that counts as a Young Gun, unfortunately. We got 2 packs left. Mikhail Sergachev. Right on. Got some decent Young Guns. This is the last pack. Survey says there's a Young Gun in it, but let's see. Odds say different. No Young Gun. All right. Last bonus pack. Let's see if we get a black one in here. We got Patrick Laine again. Connor Hellebuyck. Nikolai Ehlers. Very nice. And the Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Who's that? Jordan Eberle and Cam Talbot. Right on. Well, that wraps it up. I'm going to put down in the comment section what I pulled out of this. They were the 16-17 Upper Deck Series 1 Mega Blaster with the Team Triples bonus pack. Okay, everyone, good luck. Hope everybody enjoys cracking their cards, and hope everybody enjoyed the video. Okay, take care.